Basically, what happened here was we skipped, voted, and that's what happened just now. All right, to stop any confusion in the comments. So basically, what happened is we voted out orange and we lost because of that. Wow. After this footage plays out, we'll have more gameplay for you. Well, not will. I'll have more gameplay for you. So basically, what just happened, we just skipped after that meeting. That's all that happened just now. Right now, I'm going to electrical to fix the lights, but there's really no point because we can still see everything. Oh, wow. I'm doing my download task. Look at me run. Wow. Wait, Pink just killed me. And we lost. Are you kidding me? Well, well, well. Look who finally got imposter. Alright, so get ready for some intense gameplay. I'm about to go crazy. Alright. I'm gonna watch Yellow do the med bay scan, and then I'm pretty sure I'm gonna kill him. Yeah, I killed him. This meeting, I'm gonna let you guys see. Because Black walked in on me killing him. So here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Will they believe me? Stick around and find out. Ooh. So, sorry if I type super slow. It's just, I wasn't thinking of making this gameplay, so that's why I was typing so slow. Alrighty, Black is getting voted out. I'm pretty sure. I hope he is. I really do hope he is. I really do. Alright. Stop stalling me. What is taking us so long? I knew it. Why haven't they voted yet? Alright. And we voted out Black. Of course we voted out Black. It's 3-1. Black was not the imposter. And we all come away from the table doing nothing. I'm just standing there in shock that I actually won that fight. And I'm hoping nobody comes to kill anybody. Comes to thing. Oh, we won. Wow. That made me mad. I hate when stuff like that happens. Just now, lights were off, so I was really looking for somebody to catch somebody red-handed. Red-handed. I was waiting for somebody. Oh, that's my first time doing that first try. I'm not even lying. That's my first time doing that first try. And I ran away as quickly as I can because I don't want to get stat killed. And I realized I didn't have that task, so I ran up here, fixed that. And as soon as I was done, a body got reported. So basically after that, we voted out Dark Green. And I'm pretty sure that he was not the imposter, so, yeah. I don't know. I gotta go back in the footage. Right here, I get stabbed in the back by Black. Brown sees and reports the body. So Dark Green was not an imposter, but Black was, obviously, because we voted out Black, and there's one imposter left, and I'm trying to figure out who it is. The only reason I'm showing you this footage is because there's nothing else for you guys to watch, really. So apparently we're gonna try to vote out Orange, and Orange just cursed. So probably gonna get age restricted, but I'll probably blur it out. Cause I don't want to get age restricted because YouTube will do it. I've heard, but I don't really believe it. They all saying GG's, and let's see the final result. Cause I need to know myself, cause I forgot. This is yes, it was him. Let's go. That was the last gameplay of the day. I hope you guys liked it. Like, subscribe, because I post animations and daily videos like this. But I really haven't been posting daily because I had stuff to do.